Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be decorating my outdoor balcony area. First, I'm going to start off by laying out this area rug. It's an outdoor area rug and I believe it's 5 by 7 and it is reversible and it's also plastic, so it does make it easier to clean. So now I'm bringing out my chairs. This is a 3-piece set that I purchased on Amazon and it was very inexpensive. It came with 2 chairs and a table, and later on you will see the cushions that came with it also, but this is a brown color. It's the wicker and I did have to assemble it and I do have a video on that, but it was very easy to put together. Alright, these are the cushions that came with the chair set, and they are waterproof and you can take the covers off and wash them. I brought out this artificial palm tree. I took it out of my living room, and this is from Hobby Lobby. The planter vase that I set the palm tree in, I've had this for I think over 7 years now, but it is from TJ Maxx and I got it on clearance. I think I got it on clearance for like $35. And it matches perfect with the outdoor furniture. Alright, so I have my grandbaby. She thought it would be a good idea to put these lilies. I think they're lilies. Yeah, they are lilies. These 2 stems that are from Walmart. So she thought it would look really nice with the palm tree, and I think it turned out really nice. So I appreciate her for helping me out. Now I'm going to put on the cushion on top of the bench, and it did come with this bench, so I will post the link in the description box. Any other decor items that I have will also be posted in the description box. These are 2 plant stands that I purchased last summer from Walmart, but I'm going to use them for side tables. I'm going to add 2 of these planters and put them over top of my rail. And if you guys keep watching, you will see how it really is going to set off my balcony. You just have to keep on watching to the end. Please keep on watching because you'll see what I'm talking about. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also please be sure to check the description box for any links that I might have and any decor info also.